Hello students of class 8. I am Piyali Mukherjee from the Great India School, Raipur. How are you all? Hope so that you are all safe in your house and feeling well. Students, today I am going to explain the third chapter, that is fiber, different types of fibers. All are you know that in summer season, very hot day, you wear cotton clothes. The type of hosiery or type of clothes which are very soft and easy to absorb sweat. Okay. And in winter days, you wear woolen clothes, sweaters, coats, and some other synthetic or artificial fibers fabric also. But why we do so? Because cotton clothes easily absorb sweat, feeling cool. There are some pores between the cotton fibers by properly knitting like this. Pores are there, small pores by which air enters and remove. But in cotton or other artificial fibers, no places or no pores are there, only plain sheets like this. So air not passes through it. Okay. So here now you understand what is the chapter types of fibers. Normally on the basis of occurring from where we get this type of fibers. Fibers are two types, natural fibers and artificial fibers or man-made or synthetic fibers. Natural fibers like cotton, silk or jute, these are natural fibers. And artificial fibers or man-made fibers, nylon, rayon, polyester, PET, PET, polyethylene terephthalate, terephthalate or tetraphthalate, like this. Different types of synthetic fibers or polymers there. Okay, how the fibers formed. Chain formation, like in a garland, number of flowers when stitches are joined one by one through the threads. One type of same flowers join in a garland. Like this, number of same molecules when joined one by one each other through the chemical reaction, different polymers are formed either naturally or synthetically. This type of fibers used in different purpose, not only for clothes or the dress material, in other purposes we also use them, for formation of like this pen cover, pen holders, refills, or the cover or this pen, or like this strips of the iCard, or iCard is formed by the plastic, or these spectacles. Everything is formed by this type of synthetic materials or the fibers. So here in this chapter, different types of fibers discussed. First, that is cotton. From where we get this cotton? From the plants. Cotton, or in Hindi, rui. You cannot imagine how the thread is formed from this. Gandhiji's charkha. In charkha, this thread is formed through the cotton. Similarly, in mill, this thread is formed through the cottons, and after that, these threads are knitting properly in mills or in tat. Then the fiber sheet or cloth type of formation is formed, by which we form different types of dress materials, saris, dhoti, and shirts and pants, etc. etc. So this is very useful, good, and the primitive type of fiber from the years ago. It is used and very costly and precious for today also. One of the important cotton is Malmal of Dhaka. Very soft, fine cottons were formed there once. And these cottons are just, you can imagine, a long 5 meter sari can be entered by properly in a matchbox. Can be covered in a matchbox. You can imagine it. So fine. This is our Indian traditions or culture, you understand by through this, I think so. Now another natural fiber is silk, from which we get this cocoon of silkworm. And this silk is very costly. Kosha, Musidawad silk, Kanjivaram, Asamiya silk, these are different types of silks, you know that very well. Then we come to the synthetic fibers or artificial fibers. Artificial fibers are those fibers which are formed or made by the human beings himself. These are formed in a meal. How? Through the synthesis of different chemicals. For example, nylon. You know why nylon is called nylon? Nylon. Do you know why? Because nylon, the compound or the synthetic material which is produced in the same day or same time in Neon and London together. Separately, they don't know, people don't know of New York and London, that what they made, but they are in a same day or same time they made this synthetic fiber. So the name of this fiber is nylon, type of polymer. In polymer, different types of compounds are combined itself like a garland, as I explained before. Then another is rayon. Rayon is type of ester, and when it is mixed with some percentage of cotton and then form the clothes and other dress materials, that is called terrycot, terylene and cot. Okay, types of polymers. As I told you before, Teflon and bakelite, these are also artificial and synthetic fibers which are used in different purposes. Students, now you have an activity. You try to do it in your house. Take some pieces of cloths from different dress materials which are wastage or useless, and cut it in a small piece and stick it in your one copy and write the name of these types of fibers, and after this write what either it is natural or man-made. Collect it from the different dress materials or the clothes which are available in your house, but remember it, don't cut from the new clothes, otherwise your mamas. Okay, so I hope you understand the chapter. Okay, bye. I will meet you later.